Hello and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, September 7th, 2017. Just want to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice, not making any recommendations, always for your further homework. Good morning, Sue here. As I mentioned in Tuesday's video, I'm heading out on holidays, so there won't be any videos for about a week. Just wanted to do a quick, super quick video today to run through a handful of charts that I think might look interesting in the days ahead and ones that you might want to consider for your watch list. So I'm going to ultra condense my normal video, and we're looking at the IWM 9-month weekly chart. This is the wedge we've been keeping an eye on. We're at that short-term area of support resistance, and it's kind of pausing here. So I'm going to move it away from the weekly to the daily look. And let's go 6 months daily so we can zoom it in a bit. So you can see where we are, that purple line. If it gets rejected and price goes lower, well then you don't want to do anything. But if we do get through this area and price continues higher in the markets overall and the IWM, then here are a handful of Chart of the Day Cafe picks. I put them on a watch list and I watch them every day. And as long as their scores still remain high and where I need them, they're still active on my watch list for me. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is Nano, which was our featured chart recently. So Nano still looks pretty good here, and should it lift, then that would be one I would consider. Checked all these scores this morning, still really high. The second one is Schnitzer Steel, coming into this area of support, and should it lift from here and get that lift up and over the 8-day EMA, Schnitzer Steel, very high value score, forecasted earnings growth rate of 31% and dividend yield currently of 2.85%. Next one is iRobot, which had a doji yesterday, was a recent pick off this area of support. If it goes higher off this doji, I think iRobot looks interesting. Next one is Apple, which was an early Chart of the Day Cafe pick, been on the list for forever. But if Apple lifts from here up and over the 8-day, I think Apple looks interesting, still has those scores. Next one is ICE Intercontinental Exchange, lifting off this area of support. ICE has been on our list for a long time. First featured it back here in 2015. This is the weekly chart, but you can see it's got a nice run, settling at this area of support. I'm going to move it back to the daily. So ICE has lifted here. Really nice value score still. Forecasted earnings growth rate of 13%, dividend yield of 1.22%. Like that chart. And the last one is Google, which was been on our list for a long time as well. So scores remain nice. Google lifts off this area. It has a bullish candle up and over that 8-day. I think that looks interesting too. Scores are still there. With that, I'll leave you. Have a great week ahead, and we'll put our next video out not this next Tuesday, but the following Tuesday after that. Thanks for watching.